When precision meets power, your woodworking projects reach the next level. The best-rated sliding miter saw delivers smooth, accurate cuts every time, combining versatility and durability for both DIY enthusiasts and professional craftsmen alike. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. DEWALT 12-inch sliding miter saw. The DEWALT 12-inch sliding miter saw is engineered to deliver precision, power, and durability for both professional and home woodworking projects. Its stainless steel miter detent plate comes with 10 positive stops, making it easy to achieve accurate angles for all types of cuts. The saw features a precise miter system paired with a machined base fence support that ensures stability and accuracy during operation. Its cam-lock miter handle with detent override allows for quick and effortless adjustments to miter angles, while tall sliding fences support boards up to 6 3/4 inches vertically. The crosscut capacity is impressive, handling 2-inch by 14-inch dimensional lumber at 90 degrees and 2-inch by 10-inch lumber at 45 degrees. Dual horizontal steel rails with linear ball bearings add durability and guarantee smooth sliding motion, reducing friction for cleaner, more consistent cuts. This saw also supports bevels from 0 to 48 degrees left and right, offering versatility for compound cuts and crown molding. Users find it reliable for long-term heavy-duty use, as it balances power with precision. Number 2. SKIL 10-inch sliding miter saw. The SKIL 10-inch sliding miter saw is built to offer power, versatility, and ease of use for everyday woodworking tasks. Equipped with a 15-amp motor capable of 4,800 RPM, it provides smooth and precise cuts while reducing the effort required during extended projects. Its dual bevel design allows users to perform cuts in 4 positive stop positions: 48 degrees and 45 degrees left, 0 and 45 degrees right, providing flexibility for a wide range of woodworking applications. The integrated LED shadow line improves visibility, guiding the cut more accurately than traditional laser systems and helping reduce mistakes. The saw can cross-cut lumber up to 2 by 12 inches at 90 degrees and 2 by 8 inches at 45 degrees, making it suitable for both framing and larger woodworking projects. In addition, the SKIL saw cuts at common angles up to 50 degrees left and right with 11 positive stops for the most frequently used angles, allowing for quick adjustments and consistent results. Its compact design and lightweight construction make it easy to transport and set up on job sites, while maintaining the stability needed for precision cuts. Users also appreciate the comfortable handle and intuitive controls, which reduce fatigue and enhance productivity. Number 3. DOVAMAN 12-inch sliding miter saw. The DOVAMAN 12-inch sliding miter saw is a versatile and precise tool designed for serious woodworking enthusiasts and professionals. Its compound cutting capabilities allow for both horizontal and vertical 45-degree cuts, while a sliding rail system ensures smooth, accurate cutting across larger boards. With a maximum cutting capacity of 4.2 inches by 13 inches, this saw handles a variety of lumber sizes, from smaller trim boards to larger framing materials. The precision laser guide ensures that every cut is exact, and the base offers 9 commonly used angle presets, including 0 degrees, 15 degrees, 22.5 degrees, 30 degrees, and 45 degrees for both left and right sides, allowing for convenient adjustments without constantly recalibrating the saw. Powered by a 15-amp pure copper motor reaching up to 3,800 RPM, the DOVAMAN saw provides consistent performance in smooth cutting even on dense hardwoods. Safety is a priority, with an upgraded switch design incorporating a safety lock and integrated controls for both left and right-handed operation. The transparent blade guard provides full visibility of the cutting area, enhancing accuracy and user confidence. The package includes a pre-installed 40T saw blade, dust bag, clamp, carbon brushes, side plates, wrench, and instruction manual. Number 4. Evolution 210mm Sliding Miter Saw. The Evolution 210mm sliding miter saw stands out for its ability to cut multiple materials, making it a versatile addition to any workshop. Its patented multi-material cutting technology allows it to handle wood, aluminum, steel, plastic, and even wood embedded with nails, all with minimal sparks, heat, or burrs. The saw comes with a premium tungsten carbide-tipped blade, optimized for long life and precise cutting. Its 1500-watt motor provides sufficient power for demanding tasks while ensuring smooth operation and reduced wear over time. With miter angles ranging from 0 to 50 degrees and bevel capacity from 0 to 45 degrees, the saw accommodates most common cuts in woodworking and metalworking projects. Features such as a laser cutting guide enhance accuracy, while the 3-piece premium clamp system and dust collection bag improve convenience and safety during use. The compact design, coupled with a carry handle, makes it easy to transport between job sites or workshops. Users appreciate the reliability and multi-material capability, which allows one tool to replace multiple saws, saving space and increasing efficiency. Number 5. Metabo HPT Sliding Miter Saw. The Metabo HPT sliding miter saw is engineered for precision, versatility, and user-friendly operation, making it ideal for both professional woodworkers and serious hobbyists. This 12-inch dual-bevel sliding miter saw features a no-load speed of up to 4,000 RPM, delivering clean and accurate cuts across a variety of materials. Its miter range spans 0 to 45 degrees left and 0 to 57 degrees right, and 9 miter detent stops allow for quick, repeatable angle adjustments. The Act Cut shadow line provides a clear cut line, improving visibility and accuracy while enhancing safety during operation. One-touch bevel and miter locks, combined with an adjustable miter scale, make setting up compound cuts fast and precise, ensuring consistent results even during complex projects. The saw is built with smooth sliding rails and a stable base, which reduce vibration and provide better control, especially when cutting larger boards. Its ergonomic handle and user-friendly design reduce fatigue during extended use, while the dual bevel functionality allows for versatile cutting of crown molding, trim, and framing materials. Metabo HPT emphasizes reliability and long-term performance, and this saw is backed by a 5-year warranty, reflecting its durable engineering and high-quality construction. For woodworkers seeking a tool that delivers power, precision, and consistent results, the Metabo HPT sliding miter saw combines the features needed for professional-grade cutting with ease of use, safety, and versatility, making it a highly dependable addition to any workshop or job site. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.